today we are going to be unboxing Gramma In A Box. Hi, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions, men's, women's, kids, clothing, food, beauty. We are almost halfway to our 100 subscriber giveaway. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead, click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the little bell notification so you are notified every time I upload a video. So today I have for you guys Gramma In A Box. And this is one of my daughter's favorite subscription boxes that we get on a regular basis. And Grandma Terry does send me these each month to unbox, and for that I am extremely grateful. We love them. And the boxes, I forgot to cover up the label, but she put stickers on here, just 2 little holiday stickers that kind of go with the theme of every month's box. So if you have not seen my past videos, these boxes are $20 a month if you sign up for the automatic deposit or automatic withdrawal, basically. So it comes out of your month automatically each month. Your first month will be $10. So half off your first month if you sign up for the automatic payments. And in each box is about 20 snacks. You get 2 candy type snacks and then a cookie. And they're each themed for something that's going on that month. So these are Christmassy themed because it's December. Last month was fall and Thanksgiving themed. We are going to unbox this and then we are going to head over to the kitchen where my daughter and I will make the snacks and show you guys just how easy they are. So she always has red and white tissue paper to go along with her theme, and it is just so cute. The sticker is ripped. I did peek. I couldn't wait. My daughter was begging to look to see what was in there, so we did take a sneak peek. Each box contains these cards. The first one is a welcome one, and it tells you that you can find videos on how to do all the treats on Facebook or YouTube, and I'll have Grandma Terry's channel linked down below. If you are a visual learner, she makes great videos of each treat, just real simple, clear, concise instructions and a little demo on how to make it. And then on the back of this first card is all the ingredients that come in this box, and it also tells you what you need. The one thing I like about these boxes is she provides pretty much everything you need for your items. You'll need things like a small little bowl, a mixing spoon, a microwave, scissors, but they're things generally you would have around your house anyhow. So all the food ingredients are in the box and you don't have to worry about providing any ingredients to make any of these treats. Alright, our first project here is hot chocolate buddies, and these are little marshmallows that will go in your hot chocolate. They have a little candy cane in them. Our second project are crispy peppermint bites, and they're like pretzels with chocolate and peppermint. And our third one are holiday cookies. Each box has cookies and then 2 little candy type items, and there's always a container of chocolates that you melt for the first one, and for us they're usually still melted enough for the second one that I don't have to remelt them. But if they've cooled down or if you want to do the projects on different days, then all you have to do is remelt them. So the cards go through step by step how to make each thing, and then on the back is your ingredient list for all the different items that are used for each project. So if you are allergic to anything, I love how she has the ingredient lists on there. You can quickly just read through, and ta-da, here it is. Oh, it looks so festive. Okay, so for the first one, the hot chocolate buddies. We have marshmallows. We have some red and white melting chocolates. I hope that wasn't blurry. And then we have a little packet of mini candy canes to stick in the top. Our next project would include the melting chocolates again. Then we have 6 pretzels, right? Yeah, 6 pretzels. And they're just your square little pretzels. And a container of candy cane little crushed up bits. And then our last one is the holiday cookies. We have a package that has 2 snowflakes and then 2 ornaments. A package that has 2 holly leaves and 2 Christmas trees. Then we have 3 tubes of red, green, and white icing. And last but not least, we have all of our decorating, our colored sugars, little balls, and colored sprinkle type things. I think the ones in this container are actually for a second project. She also includes parchment paper, y'all. This is a thought that I think only Grandma would provide, because otherwise you get mess everywhere. She includes 2 sheets of these, which is perfect for us because it's just me and my daughter. So we share 1 sheet, and then we put the finished products on the second sheet. So let's jump on into the kitchen and I'll get you set up. We'll start making these projects. Generally, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes for us to make all 3 projects. We are going to be starting with project number 1, which is the hot chocolate buddies. And first we're going to take a candy cane and dip it in the melted chocolate, just a little bit. That's fine. And then you're going to stick it into the marshmallow, and that will help keep it in the marshmallow. We're going to do all 6 of those before we move on to our next step. We're going to dip it. Oh, maybe they're not quite dry yet. Okay. About there. And then just like that.
So this one is the next one.
Mm-hmm. Project number 2 is the crispy peppermint bites, and what we're going to do is take the rest of the chocolates that we have. We're going to add in half of our crushed peppermint and stir that up, and then we're going to add a little bit of this on top of each pretzel, top with a ball, and then a sprinkling of the peppermints. Okay, so we're going to separate that out into the different pretzels. Oh, it's on the side. Our third project are the cookies, and we will be decorating them with the icing and the rest of the sprinkles and colors that we have, the colored sugars.
We also did a fourth project, which is the winter bark.
Okay, there we have it. We have our second project, the little peppermint bites, and they are pretty set up by now. I think the cookie decorating it takes the longest. Then we have our little hot chocolate buddies. This is what they look like on the bottom, dipped in the sprinkles. They're also set. You can eat them as is, or you can dip them in hot chocolate and let them melt. And then we have our cookies. And I made some peppermint bark with some of the extra chocolate that was used for the peppermint bites, and we had a little extra crushed peppermint, so I just spread the white chocolate with the peppermint out on the parchment and then added a few of the crushed chocolates and then some white sprinkles. So we actually squoze out a fourth project. Thank you for watching Gramma in a Box. I hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know which one of the 3 treats was your favorite. I think the pretzels were my favorite. I like the pretzels because it's like a sweet and salty combination, though I am trying not to eat sugar, so I don't eat very many of them. Most of them my daughter and husband will eat. I'm pretty sure the cookies were my daughter's favorite. She loves decorating the cookies. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.